Hey everybody, this is Toby Eunice of the World Sand Project. Stick with us and Shelley and I will explain how to collect and send us your sample of sand. So, and I've been promising this for a while, and I wanted to get it up before I left on my vacation. Make sure that before you leave today, you like our video. YouTube likes it when you like our videos. Share it with your family, your friends, your neighbors, your business associates, and the entirety of your social network so that we can grow the channel. And then if you're not already a subscriber, this would be the ideal time to subscribe. Click on that notifications bell so that when we launch a live stream or schedule a live stream, you'll be immediately informed and in the know. So in the following video, which is under 3 minutes, 2.5, 3 minutes, I explain using Shelley's help what we'd like you to do to collect a sample of sand and to mail it to us. The important thing to remember is that we would like you to take some photographs of the area in which you collected the sample, and I'll explain what to do with those photographs right after the video, okay? So let's go ahead and play it. You'll need a small plastic bag, preferably a clean one, and a spoon to collect your sample. Scrape off the top layer of sand and collect a couple of spoonfuls. Use your smartphone to take some photographs of the surrounding area. Eventually, you'll email those photos to us. When you return home, seal the bag very well and use a marker to write your name and the location from which you collected the sample on the plastic bag. Use a small envelope, preferably a padded one, and write our address on the outside of the envelope. If you're in the United States, 2 forever stamps should be plenty. If you're outside the United States, check with your post office to see how much postage you'll require to send the package to us. Place your sample inside the envelope and seal the envelope. Lastly, find a mailbox and put your package in the mail to us. That's all there is to it. We'll receive your sand sample in a couple of days. Now, about those photographs, the reason we're asking you to take them with your smartphone is so that the metadata about your GPS location is collected. What we'd like you to do as soon as you've completed making those pictures is directly from your smartphone, send them to the worldsandproject at gmail.com. I started to say the World Sand Project, but it's not the world. So that's worldsandproject at gmail.com. And I'll include that Gmail address as well as our shipping address in the description box below this video. Okay? If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments box below, and I will answer them as quickly as possible. Once we receive your sand project, we'll catalog it, put it in the database, put the photos in our photo database, and then in an upcoming show, we'll reveal your sand under the microscope and talk about it. And if you're interested, also send us your phone number, and we'll call you during that live stream and talk about the beach or the river or wherever you collected your particular sample from. Okay? Again, thanks for participating. We really appreciate the effort that you're putting into this to make this a successful project, and we look forward to hearing from all of you soon. All right? Thank you. Have a good day.